Hi everyone, here is Giacomo Vose from Arduino Pro. We are here today with a customer, but first of all a partner, Rinaldi Superforni, that will tell us its experience in choosing Arduino as a technology partner, but especially in adopting the portenta machine control for its production. Here's me, Matteo Niscosi, to whom I'd like to leave the word. Matteo, would you like to introduce yourself and tell us something more about your company?
Hi Giacomo, thanks for being here. I'm Matteo Niscosi, Head of Research and Development, and I'm in charge of designing and following the development of our new products, both on the mechanical, electrical and programming side. Rinaldi Superforni was founded in 1946 as an industrial electrical oven company, and in all these years our products have grown in order to accommodate a large variety of customers' needs. By request, we can also develop custom-made ovens for very specific needs, also outside of the food sector. And I'm proud to say we're one of the first, if not the first company that is using and implementing the PMC. And we've also run tests and provided feedback during its development.
And why did you decide to renew the technology of your ovens?
Throughout all our history, our products have always distinguished themselves among the others because of their trustworthiness even after years of use. But today, beyond that, we feel the necessity of providing our customers with a much more improved user experience by providing them a much more intelligent oven, but also by providing our technical assistance department of accessing the oven without actually having to go to the customer's location, and that is great.
Absolutely.
And that was achieved thanks to the Arduino PMC. Also, thanks to the software infrastructure built by Arduino, we are now able to control and monitor thousands of ovens at the same time all around the globe, and again, that is great.
Absolutely, yeah. So, generally speaking, a machine manufacturer like you doesn't have just one type of machine of product in its portfolio. And would you describe the applications of your ovens and how can the portenta machine control help in this sense?
Yes, one of the greatest advantages of the PMC is its great versatility. Actually, we're using various versions of the PMC according to which product actually we're implementing the PMC on. But each one of them is implemented in C++ upon the same software infrastructure that was developed by Arduino, and in that sense the versatility of the PMC is unprecedented, absolutely unprecedented.
This is on the technical side. Coming out a bit from the technical sphere, does the adoption of the portenta machine control also bring with it a new business model approach? So I mean, how do you see Arduino in your next future, and how can Arduino contribute to the growth of a company like yours?
The introduction of the PMC will revolutionize the way in which we sell our product. Some of our new products will be sold not anymore as simple and static machines, but as a dynamic service. On the product development side, we are finally able to design and produce a product that is entirely made within our company. That gives us full control of our product, enabling us to walk independently and freely towards the future.
This is great. So this is the Rinaldi Superphone vision. Matteo, thank you for your hospitality. It was a pleasure to have shared your experience. I wish you a bright future.
Thank you, it was a pleasure as well.